Hi, my name is P.Ramya. I have completed my BTech graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering at SVR Engineering College in Nandyal, and my native place is Andhra Pradesh. I came to here Hyderabad through the incubation program. So I have joined as an incubation student in this Qspiders in 2025 past in 2025 year and in the February month, and I came here and I have learned SQL, manual testing, core Java and automation, and here my trainers helped me a lot, like Hariharan sir, Raghvendra sir, Vaibhav sir and Hasni ma'am. They trained me very well and they gave all examples, and they explained me the interview process and mock interviews, so how should I crack the interviews, and they said and trained me everything, and the here placement team also helped me a lot, like they have given almost like 15 plus opportunities to me. Even though I'm an incubation student, they have given me more opportunities, and finally I have cracked them. Even though I lost my motivation, they have given me motivation and encouraged me to crack this interview, and finally I have placed as junior testing in 20K. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.